Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use our cloud. This way you can use our Lauterbach software just as if you would have downloaded it onto your computer, which can be very convenient for you. We start by opening our browser and going to solvemedics.com. Then we click on Cloud in the top bar of the website. Signing up will be necessary using your name, your email address, and a password you can create yourself. After the sign up, you can see a confirmation in the browser window that the sign up has been successful. At the same time, you will get an email from us. From that point on, you can just open the cloud in your browser as shown before, or you can instantly access our cloud from this email by clicking this button right here, which will redirect you to the cloud in the browser. After that, a connection with our servers will be established after you clicked the cloud in the browser or will be redirected to the cloud. And then your session will be prepared. This can take a minute or two. After that, the Lauterbach software opens up in your browser. You can enter full screen mode. And you can type in keywords, for example, as I just did. For example, pressure drop, and select the module that fits your problem the best. The module will open up and will be ready to use. This has been a very brief explanation on how to use our cloud. If I explained anything too quickly, you can just pause or rewind the video. If anything was totally unclear to you, you can just contact us via mail or call us, and we will be glad to help you. Goodbye and see you next time.